Welcome to Drawing Book Studio, and today we are going to make Ant-Man, and let's draw. We will start from the eyes. It's a diagonal line and another line and a curve from over here. And for the second eye we will follow the same instruction, a little away from the first eye. The eye of Ant-Man is ready. Now we are going to make the whole mask, which is in a minor detail. And I will tell you one thing, these lines are very important. It will show the volume. And there comes the socket. And now along from here, a line will go out over here. And the curve I left over here, there will also a line will go. And this is for the volume. As you can see the volume from the line. And this is for. And now we have just to make the outline of the mask. And the outline is ready. Now minor little details. And the mask of Ant-Man is ready. Now we are going towards the body. For body, we make a line for the chest and the torso. This is in the diagonal angle. He is jumping from somewhere. And now we are going to make the arm. For arm, just make a line. For the fingers, this is for the thumb. If I am doing very fast, you can pause the video to see. As you can see, and link the line with the chest line. And the first arm is ready. Now we are going to make the second arm. It should be in same angle. The elbow, make a line. Make a triangular shape. And for the fingers, and here comes the thumb. And a diagonal line forward from here. And the wings line, and you can see the torso is almost ready. We just have to make the belt. And now we have to just make minor details of his costume. This should be in red and it should be in white line. Stripe over here. And on the belt, the center, a circle, another circle in it. And okay, now we are going to make the legs. For legs, make a line, diagonal line, so you will get the idea. Your leg should be straight, and this is for red costume. The shoes. Okay, first leg is ready. As you can see, make a line, and here comes the second leg line. It should be a little curve. This is his shoes in triangular shape. The holder, the shoes. Here comes the line, and our character Ant-Man is ready. Thanks for watching Drawing Box Studio, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.